Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to check battery health on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So all you have to do here is just go to your Android settings and look for battery. Some Android phones show basic battery health or performance information here, but not all Android phones show battery health by default, just usage or screen on time. As you can see here in my battery section, I can only see the battery information, if available, and battery health, or let's just say battery status. So if you really want to know the health or check the battery health of your Android phone, then you have to go to your Google Play Store. So as you can see, if you go to your about or phone, these are just the information that you can get. So I'm going to show you how to really check your battery health. So let's exit our settings and go to our Google Play Store. There are tons of a battery health checker here. All you have to do is to select one. So if I'm going to type here battery checker or check battery, something like that, you will see a different applications right here, and all you have to do and all I need to do is to pick or install one. So I chose battery health and life, currently installing right now. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing, and then once done, all you have to do is tap on open. Now application like this can really help you know the status of your battery. So in this application, you will know the battery health, charge speed, battery wear tracking, also the capacity or battery capacity and health, charging speed, discharging rate, battery wear over time, prolonged battery lifespan, and so on. So basically, this is just one of the few applications that can help you check battery health on your Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.